In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can create an invoice on Zoho Books. Creating an invoice on Zoho Books is essential for maintaining professionalism, accurate record keeping, and ensuring timely payments. In tracking sales, payments, and outstanding balances effectively. To do this, simply head into your Zoho Books on your profile page, tap on Sales and select on the option of Invoices. You will then click on this plus icon to add a new invoice. On this page, you will have to enter the customer name, invoice number, and the date. You will then enter your name right here on Salesperson. Enter the subject, that's the item or product. If they are different items, tap on Add New Row for the other items. Proceed by the shipping charges if agreed on. Enter the terms and conditions. Mark right here if you have received the payment, and if not, do not mark it. Tap on Save and Send. This is how your invoice will come out depending on what you put. You can just directly send to customer's email address if saved already. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.